come in. Okay guys, I got my desk from Amazon. It's a 3-part drawer. It's quite deep. I got this for £40. I also got this cocktail chair from Woucher, in fact, and this was £49. And I got this little throwaway. Kaiser, where did I get it from?
This isn't a throwaway, this is the rug, remember?
Oh yeah, the rug that I made into a throwaway.
Yeah, so we got this rug from the range. The range. It was, I think, £10 or a bit under. Very, very inexpensive and really nice quality.
Right. So guys, I haven't fully done up my room yet, but you'll see a video on it later.
That will be in part 3.
Part 3. So I'm going to have a mirror here in the center, and in between it is going to have the lights, the vanity lights.
Those are the lights. We just
those are the lights. I just haven't had my handyman put it up here.
We also haven't installed a curtain before someone comes with their fast stuff like, oh my god, how you sleeping? The handyman needs to come and do our curtains in the mirror, but then we haven't had time to do that because we're literally leaving for holiday to Ghana in a couple of days. So we're just going to do all of that when we come back. But I just want to show you guys progress of what the room looks like.
Right guys, I'm going to show you my bed. I got my bed from eBay, but the gag is my mattress is doubled. So there's 2 mattresses there.
Mattress 1 and mattress 2.
And I've literally just got a super king
fitted sheet
to cover that. Yeah, to cover both of the mattresses to make it look like it's one, but it's not. I got this from the range. And the pillowcase is also from the range.
Is a duvet set.
Yeah. And the headboard and the bed frame came as one, and that was from eBay.
It has 2 compartments on the right hand side. Is it right hand side? Yes, the right hand side.
And I got these lights from Amazon. Now what was meant to happen was it was meant to come in a line, but it wasn't working in it. So this is what we're working with. The other lights turn on, but it just hasn't been plugged in yet. But yeah. I also got this from Amazon. So what it is my DIY TV set.
Show them how it works.
So you literally get your phone.
I love the name DIY TV set.
Yeah. And you literally place your phone on it. Make sure that it's super tight.
You can tighten
onto the bed frame. And then you can literally move it to what position you want it to go.
Okay.
I've got my mirrored frames from eBay. These were 2 for $140, which is a good price.
That's expensive.
No, but it's a good price. They are mirrored.
Mirrored furniture is more expensive. And it has really cute handles, diamond handles.
Yeah. And it's quite I need to oil them because it's hard to like pull on. I got these from IKEA. This is like a candle house, a mini candle house. I'm gonna put a lot of candies in there. If you know me, I'm a sweet tooth. Hopefully I don't get diabetes, but it is what it is, we move.
Oh wow.
Here is my little tree thing. I just thought it was cute in it, you know what I mean? And we're gonna move on to here. Here is my trainer box, my clear trainer box collection. Yeah, I've got a lot of J's. I didn't realize how many J's I've got. But
she's a Jaholic.
Yeah. And I also got this room warming gift from my best friend. And I'm literally trying to place it here.
This makes the most sense.
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm gonna place it here. And if you know me, I'm House of Cakes.
Yes, the best cakes in the world. You'll be seeing pop-ups on the screen in a couple seconds.
Exactly. So yeah, both of my creations on each side, and then me in the center holding one of my creations.
2 cakes on the side.
Me in the middle. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so
wait, how you gonna forget?
Oh my god, my IKEA drawers. I haven't fully filled them in properly, but yeah, my pants, my wigs, accessories are gonna be in there. So yeah. So this is my 3-door wardrobe. I've got 2 each side have glossy mirrors, and in the middle is a mirror, and it opens both like this. And my favorite bit of my wardrobe is,
she stole this idea from me.
I don't care. Anyways, so yeah, this is where I'm gonna put my accessories, my lashes, so on.
And
I've hanged my clothes here. This is not all my clothes, by the way. I'm not clothless, but yeah, I'm still sorting everything out.
And then there's 3.
I've got my tops.
Well, there's 3
my
of these
jeans.
ones.
There's 3 of these, and then nothing's in this one. And then the bottom one is all my shoes, my boots. If you know me, I'm a high knee girl. Heels struggle, but you have to have them. My other side is the top rack is just any jumper.
She's also a tracksuit-holic. I just had to put it out there because
so this is specifically for my tracksuits, but my nan has now put my robe and everything in. She's done messed up my wardrobe, but this is literally just for tracksuits. And then underneath it is my going out hoodies and everything else. Here is like casual, and then at the bottom is like literally for my bed, like throw-ons and everything else. So yeah, then I got my, what's it called,
this is a light shade, I think is what it's called. So basically we couldn't get a chandelier in the room because ain't nobody paying that price. So oh, hold up 1 second. So we got this shade right here. This was from the range. It was like £19, either £20 I think it was. And it's literally just a shade. You put it on top of a normal light bulb. Really cute. Makes the room look so pretty and expensive. Highly recommend this. I have a different version, but this is so cute. And there's so many different colors to play with. That's basically my twins room complete. I'm now going to pass it over to my twin, who's going to help me film to show you guys the update of what my room is looking like. Cool. Right. So wait, I want to do that little intro as well. I've always wanted to do this. Wait.
Really nice.
Okay. Oh, why come in? Alright guys, so welcome to my room. This is my studio, my room, my sanctuary, my getaway place. I love it in here. This was literally the best money spent splitting my room. Well, splitting our room. I just also want to say, a lot of people were asking me in the comment section down below, like, oh my gosh, you guys' room is already small. Why split it? I don't think it's small because we've been able to do this ×2. My twins' room is a bit bigger than mine, but I get more privacy because she doesn't have to walk through my room to get into my room. I have to walk through her room to get into my room, but she does not have to do the reverse. You basically get what I'm saying. I have more privacy in this room. It makes more sense. I'm furthest away from the house, so it's more quiet. I have a really noisy family. We're just loud people, okay? So yeah, sometimes I just need a bit of quiet sometimes, so this just made the most sense.
So quality time to yourself as well. Alright then.
Alright, so where do we start? Alright, let's just start with the bed first. So guys, this is my bed. It is not as high as my twins. Oh, I also just wanted to say, me and my twins, but why am I out of breath? Whew. Wow. 2 seconds. Yeah guys, so my bed is from, don't remember the name of it, but if you just write out bed wholesalers, you probably could find it. Hackney Wick, really inexpensive, very good quality. Me and my twin both have a small double bed. Everyone else in the house has a double or a queen bed, but yeah, we have small doubles. It's big enough, literally, as you can see, it's big enough for 2 people. And yeah, so it's big enough for me, and when my boyfriend's here as well, big enough for him. We can share the room. Ain't nobody doing no squish like type of space. Yeah, it ain't that type of situation.
Or falling off the bed.
Or falling off the bed. So yeah, a small double is a perfect size for someone who doesn't need an excessively big bed or double and lives by themselves, but sometimes has people over. A small double is perfect for that. So yeah, so this was for £70. It's very big. It is, I think, 40 inches. It's 40 inches big. I really like it. I like big, large stuff because yeah, it just looks nicer. £40, wall mounted, worth the money. And this duvet set is the same as my twins one, so me and my twin got matching ones. This was £30 or something from the range. So yeah, really cute, really nice. These were included in the duvet set. This was an extra that we had to get, just white pillows. But I would really recommend the Egyptian cotton one, because this is what this one is. This is Egyptian cotton and it feels divine. This little section is kind of incomplete. So this is just where I put my makeup stuff because I film in my room. So literally makeup, lashes, makeup, and some of the bulbs that I have for my mirror, which you guys are about to see. And this is my table that I use when I'm filming as well, because I film using 2 tables because I'm facing the other way. Yeah, I'll show you guys that one day if you guys want to see it. Alright guys, so onto my wardrobe. Now, I was going to get a 3-door wardrobe initially, but I had to compromise because again, I don't have as much space as my twin does. Her one is about this much bigger than mine. Her room is about this much bigger than mine. So if I had gotten a 3-door wardrobe, it would mean I had to compromise on my mirror not being in the room. And I really wanted that. I wanted that mirror in my room. So what I did instead was get a really tall wardrobe. So as you can see, it basically hits the ceiling. Let me show you guys inside.
Oh wow.
So this is where I put my bags and stuff. This is all my coats and my bathrobe and my scarf. This is the bit that my twin copied. This is me and my boyfriend. This is just a body lava. This is my lashes. This is my bag, and this is one of my favorite belts. This is my only belt, but it's also my favorite belt. Okay, I got it from Zara when I was in LA last, and yeah, it is so cute. You can literally see everything on top because I got a glass shelf. I got 3 of these pull-out drawers. They are wide. They are really wide. They're 100 centimeters wide, worth the penny. I put all my like bodysuits, tops. This is my jumper drawer, and this is my tracksuits, flared jeans and shorts drawer. Underneath here I just put my trainers. I only have one of this. I think the other is just somewhere hiding. I'm not too sure where it is. I was probably just hiding it, trying to make the room look nice. So that's what's in there. Now time to talk about the main attraction. This mirror right here. This is the main attraction of my room. This is the love of my life. I love this mirror. I love this mirror. This is by makeupmirror.com. I will have all of the links in the description bar. They gifted this mirror to me last year, and I wasn't even able to literally enjoy it and experience it, but now I have my own room, I can. So I decided to bring this upstairs, and I'm in love. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when it's turned on, because it looks amazing.
There we go.
Oh, hold up. What's her name?
You are not serious.
No, this looks, wait, hold up, the top's trying to, no, let's not do that. So this is the mirror, guys. I love it so much.
I'm so jealous.
Some of the bulbs have fallen out. I literally broke one of the bulb on live. So if you don't have me on Instagram, add me on Instagram, because I do lives and I'm always clumsy and doing something silly in them. So yeah, add me on Instagram. I have this plant that I stole from my grandma. She used to have this in the sitting room, and I stole it because it's literally something that's just always been in my YouTube videos, and I can't imagine this plant not being in the background of my YouTube videos. So I just had to steal that. And
it brings colour.
Yeah, it just brings life, colour.
Yeah.
And it's the perfect space to put in.
Yeah.
This table right here, I love this table so much. This was from IKEA. It was, I think, like 50 something pounds. Really, really good. It just fits into the space perfectly. This is my YouTube plaque. This mirror was from, no idea, but we had it years ago. This is just my little setup, cute little backdrop. I sold these roses for my twin, ha ha ha. This plant is from IKEA. This is amazing. It's an air freshener. Let me show you guys. Looks like this. Let me be careful that it doesn't spray into our face. It's from Airwick. It literally just makes the room smell amazing, and it's so discreet. It suits the whole thing, like you wouldn't even know. And it just like sprays every couple of minutes, and it makes the room smell lush. I got the scent vanilla. This was from the range. It's a candle holder, really cute. This was from Primark, guys. This is worth every single penny. And this was so, oh, let me show you guys. When I saw it in Primark, I had to cop 2, one for me, one for my twin. She broke hers because she's clumsy. But yeah, so if we just, when we go back, we're just gonna get a new one for her. These are both rugs. I just bought one for my chair, one for the floor. It is so comfortable.
She is that
sitting on this, it really is a treat. This was both from the range, again, around like £10 each. And yeah, I'm trying to see if there's anything I've missed.
Yeah, I think that's it, you know.
I think that's it. Ooh,
oh, the
lights. So this is my light.
A chandelier on a budget.
A chandelier on a budget. Literally the best way to describe it. This is what it looks like.
But it's
again,
so pretty.
It is a shade, so you can literally just put it on, put it off. This was, I think this one was cheaper than that one. This was like £15 or something like that. 15 or £16. Really inexpensive.
From the range as well.
From the range as well. So a lot of these things are from the range, IKEA, and what else?
I think that's it.
And
Amazon.
And Amazon and eBay.
Yeah.
Literally amazing sites. And yeah, also people have been asking for the pricing of how much it costs for us to partition our room.
That'll be next video.
Yes, all of that will be in the next video. So if you guys want like a proper breakdown of pricing, about how much it would cost, what you need to have in mind prior to starting this process, because I really went into this thinking it could get done in a week. I was hoodwinked. I don't know what I thought.
I told you.
She told me, and we even made a bet, but of course I don't ever I don't make promises on my bet anyway. So I was never giving her the money. She was actually right. I thought this could be done in a week. I was like, yeah, in a week I'll have my room / studio, of course, whatever.
It took 3+ weeks.
It took, you know what, let's not even tell them how long it took. So if you're interested in the breakdown, how much it costs, what to look out for before you do this, make sure you watch the next one, which will be part 3. And yeah, again, you already know what's going to be in that video, so make sure you're tuned, you subscribe, notification bell is on, so you don't miss it. Bye guys.
Bye.